Hi again, this is Cellular Depot back with another video, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to soft factory reset your iPhone SE2. Okay, gonna go ahead, go to main screen, find your setting right there, scroll down below, click on general, scroll down below, and then find what says transfer or and reset iPhone. Click on there, and then you're gonna have to go ahead and click the last options that says erase all contact and setting. You're gonna go ahead and agree, okay, and then click erase. And this is gonna take a minute.
Excellent. It's my grandma's favorite dish. Hopefully it's gonna win me the white apron.
It's audition day, and the top 21 home cooks have each brought their signature ingredient to the MasterChef Canada kitchen in Toronto.
I open the glass doors and I see the MasterChef kitchen. My whole entire world has now lit up. We're the MasterChef Canada kitchen!
The big M. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm here right now. I can't believe that a truck driver from Kitchener, Ontario is in the MasterChef Canada kitchen. Oh my god.
Last week I was studying mathematics, and right now I'm here and I'm ready to cook.
It's the Apple logo. It's showing right there.
Welcome to the MasterChef Canada kitchen. We love seeing you in your homes and your workplaces, but now you're in our world.
Yeah! Oh baby.
Each one of you is here to beat every other home cook in this kitchen. Win $100,000 and become Canada's next Master Chef. It's a title with the power to change your life. But if you want to stick around, the next thing you have to do is earn one of these. The coveted white apron. And there are only 12 of them up for grabs.
Seeing the white aprons. That's what I want. That's what I'm here for. Thinking about actually getting one of those white aprons is suddenly becoming a reality.
Think one of them has your name on it? Well, you have to prove it in the upcoming cook. You have 60 minutes to blow us away with a signature dish using the special ingredient that you brought from home.
You'll have access to premium German-made Miele appliances, the equipment room, and the specialty pantry. After the cook, only those with the strongest dishes will move forward.
But if we don't think you cut it, we're gonna cut you. Oh,
I'm so sorry. I don't think.
that's right. If one
My ingredients fall
And
on
there,
they're brown, they're mine.
that's how you soft factory reset an iPhone SE2.
We have everything happening in this kitchen right now. It is a mosaic of ingredients.
Yeah.